Hi guys, Danny here, back with another recipe that you guys are just going to love. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make protein chocolate cake. That's right. You can eat the entire serving because literally all it is four ingredients, I guess. Protein, cinnamon, xanthium gum, and some water. So the only calories in this entire thing is what you are getting from your tub of protein. All right, so let's go. For me, I only need 30 grams of protein, so 1 scoop will do. And literally, I just make this for myself at home straight in my cup, but the cup will get dirty, so for the sake of shooting this, I am gonna mix it in a separate bowl and then pour it into my cup. Pinch of cinnamon. Second ingredient, xanthium gum. Got it all in there. You are just gonna add water. And I'll show you the consistency. Obviously you want to get all the clumps out of it, but you do not want it like you would drink a protein shake. It needs to remain very thick. So what the xanthium gum is going to do is it's going to give it that cake texture. It's going to make it fluff right up for you. Super simple, mixed. That's taken me under 1 minute. Now we're going to pour it into our cup. Because yes, it's protein mug cake, so it's going in a mug. You actually could make it straight in the bowl or in a cake pan if you want to make more. All right, so there you have it. Now that is going to go in the microwave. You've got to watch how long depending on microwave strengths. I would say anywhere around 2 minutes. You want to make sure that it just kind of falls out. You don't want any liquid, any visible liquid on the cup. All right, so that's going in the microwave. All right, guys, now it's been in the microwave. It was about 2 minutes. It's piping hot. At this point, you can eat it out of your mug, or if you want to add things to it, you just dump it out like that. Let it cool off a bit. Whew. It's hot, but it's the perfect time to add your good fats because you know, even if it's your last meal of the day where all you can have is protein and fats, you need to add your fats. What better than to add some peanut butter? In this case, I'm adding a little bit of almond butter. Ooh. And we are just gonna spread that on there. Trust me guys, this tastes like a damn good chocolate cake when you're in prep especially, but there we go. And we're just gonna cover that with your measured amount of fats for that meal. There you go, look at that. Healthy protein chocolate cake. If you guys like this, make sure you comment below, hit like, share, and let me know that you enjoy these recipes so I can keep doing this for you guys. Enjoy.